Monday, March 21. So what's going on? Well, in the world of sports, did you see last week that 4 Chicago Cubs, the World Series champions, have received contracts? Chris Bryant is now going to the Colorado Rockies. Anthony Rizzo is re-signing with the New York Yankees, Javier Baez with the Detroit Tigers, and Kyle Schwarber with the Philadelphia Phillies. Because I like all 4 players, I'm still wishing them good luck, except when they play the Chicago Cubs. And you know, last week, here's a few pictures that some of you have sent me. You know, growing up, my father always said, women and children first, and he taught that to me. I guess President Putin's father taught him the same thing. Women and children first. That's not very funny. Let's get to today's topic. A little over 4 years ago, when I opened up the office I'm in now, I had a young girl come into the office, and she asked me to quote out her automobile insurance. And by young, she was in her middle to late 20s. She was actually a doctor doing her residency. So I quoted out her automobile insurance after asking her some questions, and being that she's a doctor, I recommended the maximum liability that I could sell on an auto policy. I gave her the quote, and she looks at me across my desk, and she turns ashen green on me. And she starts convulsing a little bit, and she tells me she's had an accident, and the claim was $313,000. Her auto policy that she had $100,000 liability per person on there. My quote was $8.98 more than what she was paying, and that was per month. And she says to me, for $8.98, she will be paying $1,600 in a 30-year unsecured loan. Not a good situation for her. So, let me give you reasons why you should not buy automobile insurance. Number 1, you want to free yourself from the responsibility of owning and operating your own personalized motor vehicle. Number 2, you can do a better job of paying claims than the insurance company can. Number 3, you don't care about your car value, your home value, any savings, stocks, accounts that you have. Number 4, you love unsecured personal loans that can go on forever. Number 5, you like the idea of having your paycheck garnished. Number 6, if Jesse Smollett can get off, why can't you? If he can hire attorneys, why can't you? And number 7, you don't mind breaking the law and the consequences that come with it. Come on, Mark, you can't be serious. Well, you're right, I'm not serious. But those are some of the reasons why I think people don't take the time to buy automobile insurance. So, if you want a competitive quote, last week we were able to save a lot of people on their home and automobile insurance with quotes that we've done. Numbers at the bottom of the screen. Don't hesitate to give me a call. Be happy to see what we can do for you. Make sure you have appropriate coverages in the unfortunate event that you may have an accident where you are considered liable. Hey Mark, what's going on at the MLD Agency? Well, last week we did a lot of quoting for Medicare supplemental coverages for people who are not on the prescription drug plans or on the Medicare Advantage plans. We were able to help a couple of clients out with their health insurance and dental insurance. And we're going to do a little bit more work on the continuing education for money laundering. One of our carriers is asking for additional classwork to be done to meet their needs. So that's what's going on. I hope you're enjoying the warmer weather that we had yesterday and we're expected to have for a good part of this week. So until next week, take care and see you then.